will pop, that body shall drop. Tucked in the cuts, just praying violence will stop. Asking for protection from the beef on the block, cause if they creepin' sideways, I'm raising my Glock. As if it's all about the glamour and fame. I deal with death from hell they came, doing as they told the same. Just watching as they fucking game, laying down your pride to shame. Your soldier's soul, just so you can light your name. But what happens when they pull your cord and you rot to your death? Will things change or get worse? What's next after your last breath? Only God can judge you now, I pray my conscience clean. You can never touch my style, it's really what I mean. I have a purpose too, to be the best I'll ever be. I gotta master too. But when eyes open and you can finally see, then see that life is locked and I can help you find the key. I'll help you find the key. But first things first, you gotta learn to listen, pay attention. There's more to rap than hoes and diamond chains that glisten. There was once a time when hip-hop was the people's voice. Shit flipped so fast, almost seems like we ain't had a choice. The money got you hypnotized, took you under a swing. Right when you got comfortable, it killed your style and stole your soul. Keep rapping what they wrote for you, stay inside the guidelines, and you'll be broke, poor as hell, dying on the sidelines. They finally found me, set me up perfect. I know they trying to kill me, but fuck it, it was worth it. I'll never give in, fight till no longer breathing. I could've swore they hit me while my body ain't bleeding. I'm barely running, trying to catch my breath. I turned around and shot twice and popped him in his chest. My hands shaking, mind quaking. Watch his body hit the dirt and watch his soul descend to Satan. Yo, hip-hop is commercialized, it's all about the riches. Who throw the most money? Who pull the baddest bitches? Who shows is selling out? Whose label's on the top? Illuminati stole your body, no you need to stop. And I'm the biggest threat because the people, they relate to me. Multiracial followers, 90s babies entity. But there's two sides to the game, careful they might shoot ya. I'm the leader of a generation destined to control the future. How can you shake what's still shookin'? I hear your threats but ain't looking. My game's on higher levels, how can you take what's already taken? Highest of elected ranking, turn your minds and show respect. Live your life fighting so when it ends, feel no regret. Cause in this life, you only get one chance. I hear the reaper coming, you better think fast. Chillin' with my weapon posted, anointed like I feel my end. Trying to pray for peace, Lord forgive me if I kill again. They finally found me, set me up perfect. I know they trying to kill me, but fuck it, it was worth it. I'll never give in, fight till no longer breathing. I could've swore they hit me while my body ain't bleeding. I'm barely running, trying to catch my breath. I turned around and shot twice and popped him in his chest. My hands shaking, mind quaking. Watch his body hit the dirt and watch his soul descend to Satan. Yo.